Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Imovie on your iPhone. Open the exact project that contains the audio you want, then tap to enter the editor so you can work directly on the timeline. Once done, scrub to the clip and position the playhead where the audio begins. This ensures precise extraction. Make sure the clip is selected. Selected clips show yellow handles because you'll use that selection to separate, detach, and export the sound. Don't skip locating the clip first. It saves time later. Now you'll detach the audio from the video so it becomes its own track. Tap the clip and choose Detach Audio. The waveform appears beneath the video. Once detached, trim the audio by dragging handles or split at precise points using the playhead and split command to isolate the exact segment you need. You can also move the detached audio track to an empty spot or mute and hide the video track to prevent visual export. This gives you a clean, audio-only region to export. To get the audio out, export the project as a file, then convert it to an audio format. Tap Share, choose Save Video at the highest resolution available. The saved movie contains your isolated audio. Once in Files or Photos, use a simple app or shortcut to convert that movie to M4A or MP3. If the audio is missing, make sure you didn't mute the track, recheck detach status, and export again at full quality. If conversion fails, retry with another converter or re-export the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.